Hello.
No.
So far, it looks nice.
Yes, very elegant.
Yeah, it looks cool. I feel exclusive, like more luxurious than the other resorts here. All right, I'm gonna show you our room. It's a King Deluxe room. We're room 2531. We had to get our key reprinted because it didn't work just now. It is. It's already nice, man. This whole resort is nice. Like, we're like extra happy with it. We've been here before, but we had to come back and we did the upgraded suite this time. So this is like the Villa Suites area. So okay, nice. So here's the bathroom. Toilet. It's a little artwork on the walls, all like Italian theme. Sinks. It's a nice mat right here. Fuzzy mat. Nice shower. Super clean. Got the closet right here. And in the front it was just some ice bucket, coffee machine. I'm liking this so far. I got the king size bed. Put the light on here. Smells good in here too. Yeah, so we got some Fiji waters here. Some drawers. The fridge right here. It's a nice little ottoman. Nice king size bed. Everyone says it's like super comfortable. There's little lamps. It's like some old school lamp style. It looks cool. Nice paint, little artwork on the walls, some chairs. Nice table, like marble tables. I thought this room had a balcony, but I guess not. That's a bummer, but it's cool. We got this little love seat type of couch. All right, here's a little lamp. And this is our view. So we got the view of the Portofino Bay. Pretty cool. Like I said, I thought it was a balcony view with a balcony, but I thought we got a balcony with the Deluxe King, but I don't know. But it looks cool. I like it. And we're close to the boats and take the boat to the park and all that, so it's cool. We're gonna chill out for a little bit. We've been here all day. Like, we've been chilling around Orlando today, so we came back here. It was check-in time, so here we are. Yeah, we're just gonna look around a little bit more, and I'll show you a couple more videos after this. This is like a little courtyard. Super nice. We're like, just like Italy. I've never been to Italy, but from the pictures I could tell, just give Italy for real. I'm about to take you guys to the pool just to see what that area looks like. Figure out how to get there. Cool little walkway. We didn't even get to go to the pool this time because it was raining yesterday, and now it's in the morning. We're about to check out, so. Keep walking this way, you get to the other pool. You see the sign. There's the other pool. This is like the family style pool. Got sand. And they got a little slide over there. I think this is the Splendido Grill. It's not open yet. It's like a bar. That's the slide up here. They got a hot tub over here. Super nice. And then there's a hot tub on this side, all over there. Quickly show you the hot tub over here. No one's in it. I don't want to get too close. You look at their people on top. No one's in this one. I'll show you the closer. Decent size. There's a slide again. It's like a little. That's cool. Here's the gym. Got towels here. Very nice. They give you a free pair of headphones. That's cool. Here's the restaurant called Beach. We ate here one time. It's an Italian restaurant. It's good. It was good. You gotta have a reservation. I forget what time it opens. 5:30 it says. It's super nice in there. Super fancy vibes. Got a little balcony here. You can eat outside. Nice view. Come down here for one last look at the plaza. Some of these restaurants over here. It's the Market Deli right here, Sal's Market Deli. Oh, it's closed. Opens at 11. See all the stuff here. I heard good things about it though. I would definitely come here. Arcade right here. Looks nice in here. We got a decent amount of games. In case you guys want to come in here, do your arcade games, take the kids here, they can run around, spend a few. This is cool. Definitely could spend a little time in here.